In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in DaVinci Resolve. First, let's start by going to the Edit page. This is a crucial step because the Edit page is where you will perform most of your editing tasks. On your screen, you will see a timeline filled with clips that you have imported. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. This page allows you to manipulate your video clips in various ways. It's important to make sure you are on the right page, as that sets the stage for all your editing work. Once you are on the Edit page, you are ready to select the clip you want to crop. Next, select the clip you want to crop. You can do this by simply clicking on the clip in the timeline. When selected, the clip will be highlighted, indicating that it is active. This makes it easy to identify which clip you are working with. Selecting the right clip is essential because all cropping adjustments will only affect this specific clip. You'll want to ensure that you have the right one chosen before moving forward. This step lays the groundwork for the cropping process, so take a moment to verify your selection. Now let's open the inspector, which is located at the top right of your screen. The inspector provides detailed controls for your selected clip, allowing you to make various adjustments. When you click on it, a panel will slide into view displaying options related to the clip's properties. This area is vital for cropping because it contains the transform section where you can make the necessary adjustments. If the inspector is not visible, you can easily enable it from the top menu. Having the inspector open ensures you have access to all the tools necessary for precise editing. From there, expand the transform section. You will find this option within the inspector panel. Expanding this section reveals various tools, including the cropping options. This is an important step because it provides the specific controls needed to crop your clip effectively. You will see sliders for crop left, crop right, crop top, and crop bottom. Each of these sliders allows you to adjust the frame of your clip independently. By expanding the transform section, you're preparing to customize your clip's appearance. Next, adjust the crop left, crop right, crop top, and crop bottom values. You will see sliders for each of these options. Adjusting these values will allow you to remove unwanted areas from the clip. For instance, if you want to eliminate distractions from the edges of the video, you'll use these sliders to control how much of each side is cropped. This step is crucial as it helps focus the viewer's attention on the main subject of your video. The adjustments you make here can significantly improve the overall look of your footage. Once you've made those adjustments, increase the values to remove unwanted areas from the clip. As you slide the values, you will notice the clip changing in real time on the screen. This immediate feedback is helpful as it allows you to see how your changes affect the composition. You can adjust the sliders incrementally to achieve the desired framing. This process is essential for fine-tuning your video for clarity and impact. Make sure to take your time with these adjustments. Now use zoom and position to adjust the framing. This is where you can refine the look of your clip even further. The zoom option allows you to enlarge or shrink the clip, while position helps you move it within the frame. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure that your main subject is perfectly centered or positioned according to your creative vision. This step is vital because it enhances the visual storytelling of your video. Once you've made these adjustments, you will see a significant improvement in your clip's composition. With that ready, you have successfully cropped your video clip in DaVinci Resolve. Each of these steps plays a critical role in ensuring your video looks polished and professional. By following this process, you can efficiently focus on the most important elements of your footage. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!